The refreshed Pajero game turned into a let of the Mitsubishi model reach not for entertainment purposes. The genuine Pajero will never again be delivered. Refreshing the SUV, which has been created starting around 2006, would require an excess of cash. Mitsu's needs have likewise changed. Subsequently, a put on the lofty position was given to the replacement that has a utility pickup truck in its family. The restyling was presented the prior year last. However, because of notable occasions, an undeniable test drive for the press is being led just at this point. This realized that changes are principally in the field of ergonomics and ordinary use comfort, and practically all the hardware has continued as before. There are a few purposes behind this. Mitsubishi isn't in the best shape, and the moderate crowd can't call it request. Our vehicles have a definitive greatest setup, with a notable 2.4-liter 4N15 turbodiesel motor, fostering a similar 181 horsepower, and 430 Nm gas choices with a 3-liter V6 motor. When brought there is compelling reason should be occupied by a variant, with a business portion of under 10%. It's great that there are a few proprietors of the past game in our group. Every one of us can contrast sentiments and others working. Experienced. The racer from our group realizes the vehicle so well that he liberally offered me the directing wheel for the entire outing. There will be less fight with changes. There is no memory seat change even in the top-end arrangement. The level and reach of the directing segment are changed physically. Indeed, even the unique Mitsubishi controller application can be connected to just a single telephone. No me, spouse, and canine profiles. If you have any desire to interface a subsequent telephone and control the locks, trunk entryway, headlights, utilizing the application, unfasten the first. WER beginning. There is a 500km, or 310 miles, venture ahead. Dry climate and a prohibition on passage into as far as possible the rough terrain part of the course. Notwithstanding blacktop, we can depend on rock dirt streets. A bunch of garments for soil stuffed by me stays unused. Be that as it may, the pre-restyling game has proactively demonstrated everything rough terrain, and the update doesn't restrict the capacities of the SUV in any capacity.